Discover a scriptural guide to lifting each other up in times of need. In Galatians chapter 6 verses 1 to 7, we are called to a life of compassion and accountability. When someone makes a mistake, rather than criticize, we're invited to restore them gently, guided by the Spirit, ensuring we too remain vigilant against temptations. Moreover, by bearing each other's burdens, we live out the law of Christ, a law rooted in love and mutual support. Yet it's vital to remember, self-deception is easy. We must evaluate our actions honestly, take pride in our genuine achievements, and avoid unhealthy comparisons. In doing so, we each carry our own responsibilities, learning and growing in our unique journeys. And to those imparting wisdom, sharing the word, there's a call to reciprocate with generosity, nurturing a cycle of goodness. But remember, God cannot be mocked. Our actions set the seeds for future consequences. Let us sow kindness and reap a harvest of goodness. In embracing these teachings, we have a life filled with purpose and connection.